Hi YouTube, it's Mia Wolf 222, and so today I'm gonna be doing just kind of like all of my birds, and just kind of like their own information and stuff. I do have two more birds upstairs that Kagura, which is the mother, I couldn't get her out. I need to retrain her. She got kind of evil when I bred her. What are you doing? You got it. And I do have another baby in there, and I just dropped the camera. I do have another baby in the nesting box. Looks just like them. Her name is Millie, but she's not doing too good. And I did want to get her out for a video. I'm having to hand feed her. She's about 2.5 weeks old. And okay, we'll start in the cage here. Alright, the cage ones are the first batch of, hush! The first batch of babies I bred. I bred 2 batches, and that's gonna be it. Alright, and Piccolo just flew out. He's hard to catch. It's alright. Don't go behind there. There we go. That's Piccolo. He's like a homebody. He doesn't like going out of the cage. And he flies away from you if he gets on the ground. And then beside him right there is Cinder. And Cinder is kind of nice. He doesn't really go out of the cage very much. And I just kind of leave it open. They just go in and out. Where is... Oh. Up there in the corner is Totoro from My Neighbor Totoro on the right. And there he goes down. These guys don't really like going out of their cage except Pixel here. Right here. He kind of likes going out of his cage. Not as much as the newest batch. And this is my huge parrot cage I bought, housing a lot of parakeets. And 3 of these birds, here's Soren, he's the dad. And up here is, I can't see the leg band. Yeah. Bye. Up here's Mogar, and this is Griffin. They're the newest babies. Mogar's the oldest, and Griffin is the second oldest. And Mogar has a blue band, and Griffin has a orange band. And my brother just got my Pixel. Go up. Good boy. And Soren's the dad. I love his color. He was originally named, I think, Blue. And I traded him in because I had a different parakeet. And she died in like the first day or 2 days. And then I got him. She wasn't very healthy. And I do have, here we got the youngest baby with bird poop on it. Bye again. Come on. Yeah. This is Xander. He's the youngest. Oh. He just kind of likes being wrapped in a blanket all day. He's got like a black head and some black spots and markings, and he's going down. What you doing? What are you doing? Huh? he can't really perch yet. I'm putting you back. I'm sorry. Sorry I woke you up. There you go. And I do have Achievement Hunter names, so Mogar and Griffin, and Millie is upstairs. And that's Rooster Teeth / Achievement Hunter. Mogar is Michael Rage Quit Jones' nickname, and Griffin is Jeff's wife, and Griff, and we call her Griff Ball from Halo. And upstairs is Millie, which is Jeff's daughter. So that's pretty much my bird family here, and I made this jungle gym. I put the videos up. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Ask me any questions, and I'm trying to give you guys a cage tour. I'll get that up sometime soon, because I added a lot new stuff, and I've been changing things up. So, ask me any questions. I do video responses if you ask for them. And this is Mia Wolf 222 signing out.